Hello everybody, and today I would like to introduce you to a subject which is a section in nrkacademy.com, and it is a very beautiful subject, considered to be a very difficult subject, called physics. Yes, physics is difficult in a way, but if you look at it in a different way, it is a very simple subject, very deep, simple, rich subject, very fundamental subject. It is fundamental because if you look at the whole world, you see, what do you see really in the world? What is the subject matter of physics? Let's see. You have mechanics, you have heat. When you rub your hands, it becomes hot, very hot. If you rub your hands hard, it becomes very hot. You have a variety of substances in the world, like liquids, gases. Gases behave in a certain way, liquids behave in a certain way. And then you have light, sound, light, things seen. And then you have electricity and magnetism, and there's a deep relationship between electricity and magnetism. And the ultimate thing about physics, and actually even chemistry, is the atomic structure of matter. Atomic structure, things are really made of atoms. When you put some water in the sun, it is liquid. Now, I'll ask you a question. If liquid is really liquid, why should it vanish? Did it vanish somewhere? No, it didn't vanish. Internally, there's some structure. So, this is a scientific way of learning physics. The people who learn like that, they become the leaders in science and technology. Not the people who are just accepting what the teacher is telling. Because usually teachers start with laws. No, you should not start with laws. You should arrive at the laws. You should discover it. You should rediscover it. You should see it with your own eyes. Like, for example, long back, the scientists must have seen the stars, and then they found out that they are planets. Some stars are moving. They're not stars. They're planets. They're closer by. And observations and observations and observations. So many observations were made in astrophysics. You can imagine, starting with the Egyptian time. And slowly they came to understand the Kepler's law. Kepler began to understand. He gave the laws, and the Copernicus understood. Sun is at the center. Actually, we don't see the sun at the center. We see the sun coming like that and moving in the whole day. But which is at the center? And how did we come to know it? That how did we come to know something is crucial to understanding physics. That is the reason why people don't understand physics. They keep mugging it up, or half understanding. Or rather, I would say that accept because the teacher is telling. It's very sad, because physics is a very beautiful subject. Even I came to know a little later in my life, because I missed it in my schooling. So this section in nrkacademy.com overcomes that problem for you. We give you the depth. And what is the depth there? How did we come to know it? Atoms exist? How did we come to know it? You understand? Heat? What is heat? What is happening inside? Movement of atoms and molecules. Light? That invisible thing. What is it? Is it a wave or a particle or what? And it is hitting the eye. It hits the eye. It becomes in a ray. What is a ray then? What is a curved lens? What is a plane mirror? What is a mirror? Why do you see yourself in a mirror? Why exactly? You should unravel it. You should see it like a scientist. You should see what the scientists have seen. And I'm telling you, it is at once simple and at once very subtle. It's not like literally simple like 2 + 2 = 4. But it is very deep and simple. It is simple. You can know it. There are answers. And I will leave that as a suspense. Please go through all our videos and text. We've got wonderful text, simple text, but beautifully rendered, explained very, very clearly to you. And I hope you enjoy and get that power of physics. Holding the whole universe in the palm of your hand and become a technological genius and brilliant you can become. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a wonderful journey in the physics section of nrkacademy.com.